Welcome back to another Langmuir Systems assembly video. In the last video, we showed you how to complete the machine alignment, and in this video, we'll be installing the electronics enclosure and connecting the stepper motors. Let's go over the hardware and tools that are needed. You'll need the electronics enclosure and the remaining screws from bag number 12. For tools, you'll need a screw gun with a 1/4-inch socket. Now the first step is to remove the cover from the box by removing the 4 sheet metal screws on either end. So I'll do that now. Now remove the cover carefully and set it off to the side. The reason that the cover has to be removed is to expose the 3 mounting holes which are used to secure the box to the back left leg of the machine. So we'll do that now using 3 sheet metal screws. The electronics box gets secured to the leg using the 3 holes here, here, and here. I'll be using sheet metal screws to secure it. With that done, we can reattach the cover. Now the last thing to do is to plug in the motors. They get plugged in here and here. I'll plug in the Y-axis first, which gets plugged in on the plug on top. Next, I'll do the X-axis. Congratulations, you've successfully assembled the Langmuir Systems CrossFire. Be sure to check out the next videos where we cover setup of the plasma cutter and basics of cutting with the machine. Thanks for watching.